Today marked a historic milestone as the first vehicle in the country received its new number plate embedded with cutting-edge security technology. The ambitious 2-year project, a collaboration between the Ugandan government and the joint stock company Global Security, promises to usher in a new era of road safety and efficiency.
After that process, then a number plate will be allocated and fitted on the vehicle.
Okay, so this is the new plate. That is the new plate.
General Jim Muhwezi, the Minister of Security, who was at the core of having this project started, appealed to the public to embrace this project, citing that it is for the betterment of the nation.
I know this project is going to gain momentum, and indeed we shall register, first of all, vehicles and motorbikes in Kampala Metropolitan, where most of the crime takes place, and then roll out to other areas. But I appeal to the public to understand that this is really in the interest of the country. Let us start this project. Let us work very hard to make sure that within 2 years, all the vehicles will be registered with an intelligent device.
In order to attract many tourists in the country, General Katumba Wamala, the Minister for Works and Transport, noted that the country must be highly secure, and one of the big steps to achieve this is through implementing the intelligent transport monitoring system.
If our country is not very secure, and yet we are the tourist destination, how do the two talk to each other? We must be highly secure to attract more tourists, because as we have heard, everybody would love to come here. Our country is a highly loved country by everybody who comes in here. It's now one of the destinations, even by CNN standards. Uganda has been registered as one of the best destinations, tourism destinations in the world. But then if our security, if they have insecurity, then the two cannot match together. So we need, one of the benefits will be national security, safety and control of motor vehicle related criminality in the country.
Employment is one of the benefits coming along with the project, as General Katumba notes. This has seen many young people being trained to operate in the system, but there will also be jobs at the factory that will make the new number plates.
A number of people have been trained to man this system. So there's been job creation, and so it's also contributing. We are going to have a factory constructed here in Bugorobi for the manufacture of the number plates. So that will be employment. People will be employed in that factory. Ugandans, not people from elsewhere. There will be Ugandans employed in that factory. So there's job creation in that direction.
Engineer Karim Chibuka, Principal Vehicle Inspector, Ministry of Works and Transport, raised a number of cautions the public should be aware of, one of which was to warn citizens against tampering with the embedded chips, which would attract a penalty once caught.
No person shall be allowed to tamper with a security electronic device installed in a vehicle or in any way interfere with its proper functionality. Accidental or unintended tampering shall be reported to the Chief Licensing Officer within 24 hours, because we know there could be accidental tampering or misalignment or because of potholes or other any factors. The person who intentionally tampers with the installed security device or in any way interferes with its proper functionality commits an offense and shall be liable on conviction to a fine not exceeding 100 currency points or imprisonment not exceeding 1 year or both.
The project is set to roll out in February 2024, beginning with government vehicles and extending to newly purchased ones, then existing ones.